Today we're looking at part number 235-18-SD865. This is the heavy duty 17.5 inch 18 ply trailer tire and wheel. 235-75R17.5. This particular tire we're looking at is an advanced brand, and I'm in love with the 17.5s. I'll just tell you that right now. Been selling them for 11 years now, upgrading people from 16 inch to 17.5s, and it's the way to go. It just costs a hair more than the 16 inch 14 ply, but they last 2 or 3 times as long. Just this wheel right here, I don't know if you can see it, but it is super thick. It has a 4.75 hub piloted wheel, and I'll just prove to you. Look at this nice tread pattern on here. I love these tires. I believe in them. Look, this wheel is rated at 6,200 pounds. That's crazy. That's a lot. So this tire, if you run it on a single wheel, it's rated for 6,005 pounds per tire. And on a dual wheel, it's rated at 5,675 pounds. That's a lot of weight, guys. It has an M speed rating, 81 miles an hour, so you don't have to worry about that. And I just think they made these tires perfect. So this one right here, this 235-75 17.5 is actually the same height and about the same width as a ST 235-85 R16. So it makes it really easy to upgrade since they are so close in height and width. So close you can't tell the difference. These are made for the 10,000 pound and 12,000 pound axles, and it's the only way to go. We also sell these in the single wheel and in the dual wheel on the 215s. So the 215 75 17.5s, they are going to be the same height as your 235-80 R16. So if you have a low profile trailer and you can only run those 235-80 16s, well, you can also run the 215 75 17.5s if you're tired of blowouts. Or if you have problems cracking those wheels, you're not going to crack this one. When you have those products that you really believe in, they get you excited. And this tire and wheel gets me excited. It's 125 pounds PSI. 125 pounds. Insane amount. Load range J. Anyways, you can get these at trailerpartsunlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687, or just stop by our distribution center here in Huntsville, Texas, and we'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching.